Back with another. So I'm gonna do a quick negative space. I've already put down most of the way. I got a little bit left here, but I'm inspired by the weekly challenge this week on Facebook. So I am going to be doing that. Let's go and grab my paper towel that I always forget, even though I just told myself a minute ago to grab the paper towel. So I've got aqua green. I mixed in a little bit of emerald green, a pink, which is just brilliant magenta with some white in it, and then I've got phthalo green and a little bit of the white. Let me. It feels a little bit darker than normally it does. Alright, well, we'll see if that. I don't think that really changed anything, but okay. So phthalo green has the alcohol in it. So let's start the pour. I don't know. This feels a little bit heavier than I normally do. Like I normally try to. I think I normally thin it down a little bit more than this, but I'm going to add just a little bit of white to it because I do want to make sure there's some white on the surface when I'm, or at least try to anyway. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, there we go. Got some bubbling. That's what I like to be able to see. And I do have a thought on how I want this to look, so I'm just going to quickly ninja. And I didn't really succeed. But let's yeah, that didn't quite work out how I was planning there, but yeah, probably had too many colors. I think I'll, do I? Yeah, let's just put a little stream of that right there. See what I can do with that. I got the little cells here. Let's see how it looks when I torch. Hopefully, the kid that just went down about 3 minutes ago doesn't wake up from this. Well, she's not awake, so yay, succeeded in that at least. So that activated some stuff. Let's see if... Yeah, I'm just gonna lose that. I don't care. It didn't look like there was enough paint on that anyway. So let's... Trying to get a little bit of... Oh, I forgot what that's called. Lacing. It's not really working, but I think the stuff is a little too thick. That's my thinking. You know, I wonder. Yeah, I'm about out of white. Oops. Well, that's Mars stuff. Yeah. That should even out. Alright, moving around. I think that kind of... Yeah. That's just bare. Let's at least add a little bit of that so it doesn't dry with a spot. Yeah. I hit this area again. Yeah, I did get a little bit of lacing through here and through here. I'm glad I added the white to the mix. Not too much really going on there. Gosh, that just does not look good on my phone. A little bit there. I do enjoy this kind of swirl right through here, but it doesn't look too shabby. It's not what I was going for. I think this next time, yeah, it was, I think the next time I'll just actually use some silicone instead of the alcohol, because I can get the small cells with the alcohol, but I think I want some bigger cells when I do this the next time. Also, I need to make it a little less thick. I think this didn't really move around like I was hoping. Like, I mean, these are pretty rigid lines. Not a whole lot of intermixing. The other thought is use more white, actually do a proper flip cup, surround all the cup with white paint. Then I can let up and that'll get under the paint, under the white paint, and it should work a little bit better. But, you know, that's not to say that this might, you know, continue working after I put it away, and maybe, you know, I do seem to see a little blurring there now, so. And the rest of it looks pretty sweet, so. I'm gonna call this middling success. Doesn't look bad. What I was going for didn't quite pan out, but that's alright. So, I'm gonna leave it at that for an actual weekday pour. So this is going to go up on Friday. I guess it'd be the 19th. So thanks for watching.